Hello, this is how to use Voicethread. So this is the slide I shared with you. It can be anything else, a video or an audio or just a picture. So on the screen you can see the zoom in and then zoom out. Okay. So I zoom this so that I can see more clearly. Okay, now what to do with this exercise? It's a grammar activity talking about the simple present tense. So this is to refresh your memory. And then what should you do is to answer orally on to this question, right? You can't write because to command you need your mic. You can write here, but it's not what I want. Okay, say for example you want to answer number one, you say like so. Okay, and you save. So what do I have? All right, you see, I can't. It doesn't work like this. Okay, it might work in other cases, but not here. Here we need to answer orally. So I click on the mic and I speak. Right, that's it. Okay, I speak. Number one, Carlos likes ice cream. Number two, Tomako wants a new bicycle. Okay, orally. I can't write. Okay, I'm not supposed to write. Okay, so this is the command I just did now. You see, I can hear myself. If everything's fine, I can save, and it's here. Right. So this is what you can do with Voicethread. Once finished, of course, you close this, right? And that's done. Okay, that's done. Thank you for watching.